In this video, we're going to take a look at 3 more faceless YouTube channel ideas. We're going to take a look at about how much the channels are making. We're going to look at other ways that you can monetize these types of channels. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn 3 more YouTube channel ideas that you could start today. Hello, my name is Austin Godbold, and as an internet marketer, I have successfully made money with stand mixers, sound bars, microwaves, security cameras, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want to learn real tips and tricks to make money online, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbold.com/start for my free 4-step guide to make money online with stuff you already have. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. In this video, as I mentioned, we're going to take a look at 3 more YouTube channel ideas. These channel ideas can be faceless if you don't want to show your face. These channel ideas really could actually be YouTube automation or outsourced YouTube cash cow, so you don't even actually have to do the work. Let's go ahead and get right into it. The first one that I really like is actually with rivalries. So if you look on the screen here, I just typed in rivalries and it can be all sorts of stuff. It can be business, it can be sports. As you can see right here, watchmojo.com, they have over 24 million subscribers, and they are talking about the top 10 business rivalries. What I've done is I've jumped over to a keyword research tool and I've typed in rivalries or rivalry, and it gets over 276,000 searches per month. There are over 59,000 keywords. As you can see, everything from the Red River rivalry, which is in sports, all the way to sibling rivalry. Now, if you are going to get into the rivalry niche and you focus on sports, you will need to be careful with copyright and copyright infringement. So what I would do is I would find still photos that have Creative Commons attached to it. But look at this, top 10 movie rivals. If we look at Watch Mojo, they're actually doing a really good job with this. If we take a look, they're creating all sorts of content. Now the cool thing is, in my opinion, with this method, if you're focused on, let's say, sports rivalries or even UFC rivalries, you can make money in a few different ways. One is the YouTube Partner Program. Obviously, the second way I think you can make money is with affiliate marketing. People that are looking up rivalries, let's say Magic versus Bird, if you're interested in basketball, you could actually go out and find different sports memorabilia that you could add. You could be an affiliate for. For example, you could be an affiliate for like the NBAshop.com, Amazon, and what you would do is you would grab your affiliate links for Magic and Bird and put those links in the description, and you can make even more money. But let's take a look and see how much Watch Mojo is making. Again, they have 24 million subscribers. They're creating tons of content. They're earning, according to Social Blade, between $30,000 and $489,000 per month. Because they're creating content in a wide variety, I would probably say they're probably making about $50,000 per month, but that's still a pretty good amount of money. And so again, it's just creating content on rivalries. What you can do is you can come up to the search bar here and you can just type in rivalries. As you can see here, it already has some suggestions. Biggest rivalries in college football. What you can do is you can type in something like top rivalries and then go through each letter of the alphabet. You can see top 10 NFT rivalries, top 10 NFL rivalries, top 10 anime rivalries. There's just so much stuff that you could create content on. And I think there's a few different ways that you could monetize it. But I like this opportunity. You could outsource all of this and just make sure that the person creating the content is aware of copyright policies, but you could actually do YouTube automation with this. But the first one is actually with rivalries. Now the second one I really like is niche down tech. Now if we look at this, this channel here, they're creating content only about keyboards. This is the focus. Now you may think that there aren't really people interested in keyboards, but he has over 400,000 subscribers, and I'll show you how much he's making in just a moment. But you can see he's only focusing on keyboards. So if there's a piece of tech that you like to talk about, you could talk about anything from, security cameras, keyboards. You could talk about different PC parts and components. You could even niche down and talk about different types of motherboards. If we came here and motherboards are a computer component, so if we just typed in something like motherboard like this, you can see people are creating content about motherboards and they're just talking about motherboards, and you could potentially make money. Look at this, motherboard power switch pins. People are generating all sorts of traffic and making money in a few different ways. Now with this way, you can make money with affiliate marketing, so recommending your favorite motherboards or PC components. As you can see, they're talking about different switch pins. You could go out to Amazon and find the switch pins that you're talking about, and then you could put the links in the description. You could use Amazon, Newegg, Best Buy. There are tons of affiliate programs out there in the tech space. You can also make money with the YouTube Partner Program. Again, once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will pay you when the ads that show up in the beginning, middle, and end of your video. You can also make money with brand deals and sponsorships. Now that's basically in-video promotion. For example, if I was creating content about motherboards and I stopped to say, hey, why don't you check out the motherboards brought to you by Alston Godbolt. They're the greatest motherboards in the world. Go to alstongodbolt.com to check out the latest motherboards. That YouTube creator gets paid whenever they do that in-video promotion, and you could do the same thing. Now, technically, you could actually do YouTube automation with this as well. Look at this. You can see there's just tons of people that are looking for different things just based on motherboards or niche down tech. You don't have to just create content about popular or mainstream things. One thing that I want you to remember, and I can't stress enough, that there are literally millions of people that are interested in everything. So people that are only interested in motherboards or improving their motherboards for gaming, whatever it may be. Look at this video right here. 343,000 views, only 2,000 subscribers. So teeny tiny micro channels can jump in and start getting tons of traffic. Look at this one. 267,000 views, only 9,000 subscribers, so less than 10,000 subscribers, getting tons of views, and you can do this too. But let's take a look at that channel here. According to Social Blade, which estimates how much YouTubers are making, it says that this channel is making $10,000 per month only talking about keyboards. Now, I imagine, hopefully, he is including affiliate links in the descriptions of his videos, and he's probably making, I would say, closer to 15 or 20,000 if he is doing affiliate marketing. I'm sure he has over, like I said, 400,000 subscribers. He probably has a few brand deals in here as well. And so he is making, I would say, probably double what Social Blade is telling him. But number 2 is niche down tech. I like this because you can elect to show your face or not show your face. It works either way. And the third and final one that we want to take a look at is laziest. Yes, if you are lazy, there are tons of people that are just like you. And so what I did here is I just typed in laziest. And if we delete this, you can see people are asking about the laziest everything. If we take a look at the laziest dog breeds in the world, you can see there are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views with people asking about the laziest XYZ. Look at this top result here, 1 million views, 2 million subscribers, 158,000 views, over 149,000 subscribers. People are just creating content about the laziest stuff. Now, once again, I jumped over to Ahrefs, which is a paid tool, and I just typed in laziest. If we look at matching terms here, you're going to see there are a lot of terms that people are looking up. Once this loads here, you can see laziest dog breeds. What is the laziest person in the world? What is the laziest zodiac sign? If we copy this and we come back over to YouTube and paste this in, you're going to see that people are asking about the laziest zodiac sign, the laziest whatever it may be. Look at this. Top 6 zodiac signs that are the laziest. Well, there's only 12 zodiac signs. So they've actually taken half of them. But you can see here, 27,000 views from 1 year ago, 1.3 thousand views from 5 years ago, 237 views from 6 months ago. People are creating content about the laziest zodiac signs. And depending on the video, you can make money with both YouTube Partner Program and affiliate marketing, because people that are interested in zodiac signs, maybe they're interested in buying different books related to zodiac signs. Maybe they're even interested in something like motivation. If their zodiac sign pops up, for example, there's a 1 in 2 chance that your zodiac sign is going to be in the top 6. You could promote a motivation book, or how to break out of laziness or something like that, and you could potentially make money. So I think that there are tons of opportunities on the internet. And just to recap real quick, I like rivalries, but you want to make sure that you are aware of the copyright policy, especially if you're doing sports, because sports, they'll make those copyright claims on you, but you can make easily 10K per month. As I showed you, the second one is niche down tech. I really like niche down tech because there are literally millions of people that are interested in whatever it is that you are creating content on. And so if you go out and you create content on whether it's a keyboard, a motherboard, even microphones, you could take apart a microphone and show the components of this Blue Yeti X, and there are going to be literally millions of people, probably tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people that are going to be interested and watch that video. And then the final one is simply laziest. If you're lazy, or if you know people that are lazy, they might be interested in this content. Now that you know 3 more YouTube channel ideas, click the first link in the description for that free 4-step cheat sheet to help you make money online with stuff that's lying around the house. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.